bro.
I know the bit. Like, I literally know what you guys are gonna do. Go.
Guys, put the knife down.
Damn, I just want to go shower, bro.
Sophie's gonna try to shoot the handcuff off. In 3, 2, 1, fire. Oh! It bounced off. Where'd it go?
Where's the arrow?
Where'd the arrow bounce off to? Ah, god damn it. Lee and Dima are still in handcuffs.
Why are you so angry, Dima?
Because I'm connected to a parasite.
There it is, look at that. Take your boxers off and throw them over. And there we go.
You're crossing the line. You're listening.
Fucking idiot.
Oh shit.
How long have you been handcuffed for?
9 hours.
No!
Stay in the fucking shower, you piece of fucking white trash.
What's your problem? Did you smoke weed?
No!
You have Natalie's shoes on. You're gonna tell people that you're not high?